Hi, I'm Vince DiLorenzo, the Dynabrade corporate trainer, and in this video, I'm going to go over how to change the contact arm, as well as how to change the belt on your original Dynafile model 14,000. This is the same tool that can also be found in the versatility kit, part number 14010. So in order to perform your contact arm change as well as your belt change, the first step that you'll need to take is to move your belt cover out of the way. And you do so by using this tab that's on the side here, lifting up and swiveling it to the side in one motion. This exposes your idler arm and your belt, and in order to get the belt off, you relieve the tension with your thumb on the idler arm, pressing down. That relieves the tension. You can then remove the belt from the contact wheel, releasing the tension, and then removing the belt from the drive wheel on the inside of the housing. So now you can see the 4 points of contact that make this tool stand out from others. It's your contact wheel, your two idler wheels, as well as your drive wheel on the inside portion of the housing here. And we'll have a cutout on the screen to give you a better picture of that. So in order to change your contact arm, you'll first want to start removing the tracking knob. And I always keep a finger on the contact arm just to make sure that you don't drop the contact arm and lose it. So fully unthread that, remove your tracking knob. You can now remove your contact arm and then get your new contact arm of choice. In this case, we're using a 11232. It's a V-shaped contact wheel with a slack portion contact arm. So when reinstalling, you want to make sure that the tang or the metal tab sticking up here is facing up and going into the idler arm. Hold it in place, rethread your tracking knob back in, and you don't need to get this set perfectly at the moment. You just want to get it tightened up to where your idler or your contact arm is basically horizontal with the idler arm. So from here, you're going to reinstall your belt. And to reinstall your belt, you're going to form a figure 8, as we call it, with your belt, creating a loop at the bottom to form around your drive wheel. So put that loop around your drive wheel, keeping pressure on the belt. You form it around your idler wheels. Again, keeping pressure on it and pulling down. Now you depress the idler arm to relieve the tension, allowing you to place the belt around the front of your contact wheel. Place your belt cover back, adjust your tracking as needed, and now your contact arm and belt change is complete.